Hey everyone! Today I'll show you how to edit PDF files in iPhone. I'll show you two different methods you can use to edit a PDF document directly from your iPhone, and both methods are free. First, open the Files app on your iPhone. Locate the PDF document you want to edit and tap on it to open it. Once the PDF is open, tap on the markup tool, which looks like a pencil icon on the bottom part. This will open the built-in editing tools. Next, tap the plus icon in the bottom right corner. From here, you can make simple edits to your PDF. For example, you can add text, signature, draw a highlight, or insert shapes. If you tap on Insert Shapes, you can place a box anywhere on the PDF and type what you need. However, keep in mind that this built-in method is limited. You can add new text or mark things up, but you cannot directly edit or change existing text in the document. If you need more advanced editing feature, such as modifying the original text, you'll need to use a third-party app. To do so, go to the App Store on your iPhone and in the search bar, type PDF Gear. Download the app. Once it finishes downloading, open the app, tap on Files inside the app, and upload the PDF document you want to edit. After your document is uploaded, tap Edit in the top right corner, then tap the drop down arrow next to Annotate and select your editing tool. For example, you choose to edit text. Now you'll be able to tap on existing text in the PDF and modify it directly. You can edit, delete, or change the text that's already there. Once you're done editing, tap the back arrow, then tap on Save. To save a new version of the file, tap the three horizontal dots in the top right corner and select Save a Copy. If you go back to the Files app, you'll now see a new folder for the PDF Editor app where your updated PDF documents are stored. And that is just basically it, how to edit PDF files in iPhone. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to the channel and leave a like.